Sometimes you just got to have fajitas. But in Texas, especially in the spring, Mother Nature has other plans. So maybe the grill's not ready or available because of thunderstorms, high winds, whatever may have it. So let's do a sheet pan fajita dinner. I've got all the good stuff in this one. I've got roasted chicken, bell peppers, onions. I went ahead with mine and put a little squash in there for a little extra vegetables. I got some cilantro, a little bit of cheese, some fresh crema. See how this is. I got my taco stand my father-in-law gave me 20 years ago. Then he bought like the whole family taco stands. So now we have taco stands everywhere. It's pretty cute. Took a big bite. Good stuff. Thanks for watching.